coconut in a Jamaica eye. How else can we define the audacity of a tiny nation that time and again not only stands with the big players, but surpasses them? After dominating the Tokyo Olympic 2020 Games in athletics and decorating our chests at the Diamond League Games, here we are on another world stage saying boldly, I am here. Sounds cliche, but it's true. We're little but with talawa. And so, as 191 countries around the globe congregate for World Expo 2020 in Dubai, it's no surprise that Jamaica has been highlighted among the 13 coolest pavilions.
The fact that Time of Dubai has selected Jamaica as one of the coolest kids on the block, so to speak, is really, really refreshing for us. I'm very thrilled that Jamaica was selected in this and presented in this article. We have been trying to make sure that even though Jamaica is a small island state, so to speak, that our voice is heard loud and clear across the world.
What is even more impressive is the fact that this is Jamaica's first time participating in the Expo with its own pavilion.
The genesis of the pavilion is that Jamaica moves the world and connects the world. When you see the pavilion, there are bold pictures of people outside and scenes of Jamaica. And then when you get on the inside now, it's like a spontaneous party, as you say, a block party, but with containers from all over the world, because we have influenced, we are influencing quite a bit of international cities.
Jamaica's pavilion is a gift from the United Arab Emirates with specific designs from Team Jamaica. These include zones dedicated to our cultural heritage, prowess in sport and business, and access to some real reggae music.
We actually have a music studio, and I think that is what really captured the Time Out attention, because they came into this place and like, but we can listen to Jamaican music, we can create our own playlist and, have a vibe of our own.
World Expo provides an international stage for countries to engage in cultural diplomacy and interact with the host country, other participants, potential tourists, trade partners, and investors. World Expo 2020 Dubai will be held October 1, 2021 to March 31, 2022 under the theme Connecting Minds, Creating the Future.